This video shows how to replace your old hard drive to a new SSD to speed up your PC. Also shows how to migrate current PC settings and data by itself automatically without touching. Please aware, only genuine Samsung SSD works for full automatic migration, including Windows OS copy, without reinstalling it. If you didn't receive migration CD, don't worry. You can download it from the linked site below.
Please find out extra SATA connections and attach with the new Samsung SSD. If notebook, you need a USB SATA case from eBay to put SSD in.
Insert CD. Open above file and install. Please update if you required. Now you can see the current drive status, and you can make sure right target drive. Once it starts, it automatically takes time to depend upon your data amount. Once it complete, you can shut down first and then taking out the old C drive and replace by the new SSD. Thanks for watching.